Hey, my name's Efan. Let's get right into it, right? So this is my physique right now. This is after 8 months of hard work. I did it because I got hoed by some girl at the time, right? You know, we all hear those stories about guys getting rejected or she left them and shit and going straight to the gym, right? That was the same thing for me. I started to learn this stuff, so I found out who Z's was first, the guy who worked out, right? I did his video, I'm gonna check him out, right? And a guy named Hamza on YouTube right now, right? His videos about working out and stuff really helped me. So I was like, F it, I want to look nice as fuck. Looking nice like them, right? Like some bacon or some shit. Like a steak, right?
I'm not in the best of moods, huh? Prizes, the fucking bass is fucking raw!
Look like a fucking steak. So I got a notebook, protein. So for protein, I got like 1 gram per my body weight, because that's what helped me maintain muscle and almost actually build it actually. So like I weighed around 175 at the time, so I ate 175 grams of protein at the time. Took creatine, took like 5 grams of creatine a day, like every single day. I never missed a day of creatine. I tracked my calories with the notebooks and also with other apps. There's this app called Fastco, and there's a lot of apps on the App Store for just tracking your calories and stuff and checking out how many calories foods actually are, like eggs and peanut butter, or just looking on the packaging, right? I use that, and I use intermittent fasting, right? Because it really helped me like try to keep fasting. Like I would do like a 8 to 16 hour fast, because it's the best way for me to lose weight and not to be hungry all the time and not still eat like all the calories I needed in the day, right? So I was doing this for 4 months, right? Also push pull legs. Push is chest and tries, pull is back and buys, and legs is just legs in general. And just doing compound exercises with those muscle groups like 5 to 6 days a week. Sometimes it would be 4, so I would just and I would mostly miss fucking leg day. I fucking hate leg day, bro. Alright, so I just add in legs to a push or a pull day, right? So right now I'm around 173, 174, right? I'm bulking all the way towards 215 by next year. If I don't hit that shit, I'm gonna be one of my friends' bitch for like, I'm gonna be his bitch for a fucking month, right? If I win, he's gonna be my bitch for a month, right? Y'all gonna see this bitch ass fucking light skin one day, bro. But I mostly did it because like it helps me stay consecutive with actually what I need to do and when I need to do my shit, right? And I fucking love little competitions like this. It really fucking motivates me, right? But I'm gaining like a pound a week and 4 pounds every month till I reach my goal, and that's by next year. Then when I hit my goal, right, when I'm finally 215, if I'm not too fat, I'm gonna bulk all the way to 230 by the end of that year's next year, right? So that's 2024, right? And if I don't hit it, like if I'm like fucking too fat, too big, right, I'm gonna cut all the way back down to 190, so I still have that muscle and shit and doing all the shit I'm already been doing, right? But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want any advice about building your body, leave a comment down below, right? And please comment, like, and subscribe. It's free, my guy. It's free. And yeah, y'all have a nice day. Peace.